Hi guys! First day of snow in Romania! Merry Christmas everyone! Ano sa labas guys? Lakas ng hangin! Lakas ng hangin! Merry Christmas everyone! So gising lang namin guys, 8 na pala dito ng umaga. Tignan nyo sa labas. Kaya pala hindi natigil yung ulan at hangin. Yan kasi nag-snow. Yan o. Sobrang lakas ng hangin kagabi. Kahit ngayon oh, ang lakas pa din. Ang lakas ng hangin sa labas. Lakas ng hangin. Punta kami sa labas guys. First day of snow pala dito sa Romania. And lalabas kami. Maglaro kami sa labas ng konti. Hi guys! First day of snow in Romania! Merry Christmas everyone! Lechon Fericit! Ang dami na ng snow guys. So kaya pala sobrang lamig kasi nag-snow. Ito mat-mat. Gusto niyang lumabas. Ayan. Wait. Ito ba naman? Hage. Bilang Hage. 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 Snow. Ninja. Miti mo. Yan. Yung ano nila duyan. Saka yung swimming pool. Dito pala. Cookie. So much. Bono. La sumati. Ito Sir Mali.
And on to the occasion by announcing 3 new projects I've been excited about since I came to CA. I think some of these projects actually weren't on the lineup when you came to CA, which I think was 2022, but well, that's not a big deal. To be fair, it's built into the last one, so a little shit about later. We didn't really see much about Warcore. They really showed us bloody nothing with that. Yeah, none of that actually matters, so...
Kamusta naman?
Show what Turtle was up to.
Nasupit Yara, kamusta?
Mati mo mamay.
So Turtle was venturing